we want to rewrite these two. This one we want to rewrite in exponential form, and this one we want to write in logarithmic form. In order to do that, silly saying is the beaver is going to tunnel. My beaver is my base. So if I have a log base b, the beaver tunnels under, and then the log falls in, so we don't see it anymore. Then the beaver is now on the other side, so all I have left is the purple part, and then the beaver comes up underneath the blue, pushes it up, so it's beaver to the blue. All right, sounds a little bit silly here, but a quick, easy way to remember it. This particular one, I want to remember that when we have a logarithm, a natural logarithm, the base that we don't see here is base e. So this e is my base. It's going to tunnel under, so tunneling under. Okay, so this one's tunneling under, and then it's going to come up underneath that 7. So the 7 becomes my exponent. Just going to make that a little bigger there. Okay, so I have e to the power of 7. And then when that tunnels under, the log falls in, and all I have left is the x equals, and I have changed from log form to exponential form. Okay, then the next one, I'm gonna backtrack this, but this time I'm gonna go ahead and just rely on vocabulary and the meaning of logarithms. The answer to every single logarithm is an exponent. So if I'm going to change this to log form, then I know that the answer to the logarithm is my exponent. Then from there, vocabulary, this is called a base of the logarithm. And when we have a power, like 5 to the power of 2, the 5 is the base and the 2 is the exponent. So we want the base to turn into the base. So if we have a base of e, then the base of our logarithm will be e, which means the type of logarithm we have is a natural log. I'm going to go ahead and put a little tiny e down here to remind us, but really we don't need to do that because it's unspoken when we don't see that base on a natural log. And then the only place we have left to put the 8 is right here. Let's go ahead and verify using the beaver. So if the beaver tunnels under, it's going to come up underneath the y and push the y up, so it'll be e to the y power. The log is gone, and all I have left is 8, so 8 equals e to the y power, and that's where we started.